Hi guys, it's Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to hop into CVS and check out the killer deals starting what's the date on Sunday? The 10th through I don't even know what the dates are. The 10th through the 16th of November. So we have some killer deals to take advantage of at CVS starting the 10th of November.
Alright you guys, so we have a repeat deal on the General Mills cereals this week, or this next upcoming week. They're on sale for $1.99 and we have a $1 off 2 send a card coupon. There's also a printable $1 off 3 on the General Mills as well. And there's also a $1 off 3 printable coupon on coupons.com. And then there's also a $1.50 off 3 coupon for the General Mills Chex cereal. So we have some really good matchups. But if you have that $1 off 2 coupon, you can send to your CVS app. So it makes them just $1.49 each a box, which I think is a great stock up price for General Mills cereal. Okay, you guys, so we have a killer deal on the Maxwell House coffees. So this is on the 30 to 30.65 ounce tubs of coffee. So they're regularly $12.49, but these guys are on sale for $5.99. And this is a bonus brand with Fetch Rewards, meaning when you purchase Maxwell House coffee, submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So this is a killer deal, you guys. And if you are not signed up for Fetch Rewards, I have a whole playlist all about Fetch Rewards if you want to get caught up. Okay, you guys, so we have another really nice deal on cards here at CVS. So the Hallmark cards, these guys are on a buy 3 and get $3 back in extra care bucks, and it's for the $1.99 and up cards. So what you could do is buy 3 of them for $6, and then I got a 3 off 3 CRT. Well, it's a send a card coupon, so I would end up paying $3. Then I get the $3 extra care buck back, making these guys absolutely free. So I am so excited that I'm building up my card collection because you never know when you need a card. So we have a fantastic deal on Starbucks K-Cups as well as the Starbucks bag coffees. So these guys are on sale for $5.99. So we don't have any insert coupons, but hopefully those Ibotta offers will pop up again. This Ibotta offer that's valid today when I'm filming is actually expiring today. So hopefully that Ibotta offer resets itself. Alright you guys, so we have a really nice deal on U by Kotex. So the U by Kotex 34 count tampons and also pads, these guys are on sale for $7.49. You're going to get a $3 extra care buck when you buy one, and we still have $1 off 1 coupons from our 1013 Smart Source. And then if you have a 3 off 1 U by Kotex CRT, then that would make it 49 cents. And then Kotex is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards, so you would get bonus points when you submit your receipt. Alright you guys, so we have a really nice deal on some Summer's Eve products. So they are on a spend 10, get $5 back in extra care bucks, and we have $1.50 off $1.50 off 2 insert coupons, and this came from the 1027 Smart Source. So you would buy 2 of those products for $11.58. So you would drop down to $10.08, get that $5 extra care buck back, making them $5.08 for both of them. So I think that's a really great deal, especially since the regular price is $5.79. So great deal here. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice deal on some Eucerin here at CVS this week. So Eucerin is a part of the spend 20 get $10, and they always include the Eucerin Baby. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Eucerin Baby Eczema Reliefs. So these guys are priced for $10.49. So buy 2 of them for $20.98. And we got a 5 off 2 coupon from the 11.3 Retail Me Not. There was also a 2 off 1 any Eucerin baby product, and then a $1 off lotion. And these came from the 11.3 Retail Me Not. So using that $5 off 2 coupon, you would pay $15.98, then get a $10 extra care buck, making them $5.98 for the both of them, or just $2.99 each, which is a killer deal. We started at $10.49 and now we're down to $2.99, so you cannot beat that. Alright you guys, so we have a really nice sale running on the soft soap hand soap. So this is on the 8 to 11.25 ounce. So they're on sale 2 for $5, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2, and then you can use 75% off 1 printable coupons from the soft soap website. So you can go ahead and print 2 of those, take $1.50 off. So now you're down to 75 cents each, which is a killer deal because the starting cost is $3.49. All right, you guys, so the 3-pack of Irish Spring Bar soap, these guys are on sale for 2 for $5. So the starting cost is $3.49, so that's a great sale price. And you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy 2. So it drops them down to 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. And then if you have a CRT for bar soap, pair it here to make for an even lower out of pocket. All right, you guys, so Wet n Wild is on a spend 10, get $7 back in extra care bucks. So I'm gonna highlight something I absolutely love, and it's the Photo Focus 3-in-1 primer water and like the base 3-in-1 primer. It's the Prep, Set, and Refresh. So these are priced for $6.29. And then you can pick up one of the liquid eyeliners. They're priced for $4.39. So you're at $10.68. Then you get a $7 extra care buck, making everything just $3.68 each. So this is a killer deal, and Wet n Wild has some fantastic products, you guys. So just take a look and try something new this week. Okay, so Rimmel is on another spend 12, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So what you can do is pick up two of the Scandalize Wow Wings mascara. So these are priced for $6.99. So pick two of them up for $13.98. And then you can use two of the 2 off 1 coupons if you still have them from your 9-2 Smart Source. This is an old one. So you'd end up paying $9.98 to get that $8 extra care buck back, making them just 99 cents. So hopefully you guys still have that coupon tucked away somewhere. All right, you guys, we have a fantastic deal on the Sure and Brute deodorants. So they are priced for $2, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy one, so it makes it free. And then if you got that same CRT I did this past week, it's $1 off any one deodorant, then it's going to be $1 moneymaker. So great deal, you guys. All right, you guys, so we have another deal on Bliss facial care here at CVS. So when you spend $25, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. So what you can do is pick up one of the Fabu Lips lip scrubs. So they are priced for $15, and then you can pick up one of the lemon and sage body washes. So they're priced for $10. So you would get to your $25 even, and then you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. So you get both of them for just $7.50 each, and then just keep a peel out for some clearances over at your store. So my store has 75% off of this Naked Body Butter. Also the foot cream is $2.50, and some of the masks here are 75% off as well. So I'm seeing the mint chip mask and the Pore Patrol mask. All right, so another deal you can do on the Wet n Wild is just buy one of the gift sets. So the gift sets are priced for $9.99. So it comes with everything that you see here. So you would pay $9.99, and then you get a $7 extra care buck back, making it $2.99 for everything that you see here. So this could make for a really nice gift to go ahead and give someone. So we got we have a nice deal rolling around for Physicians Formula. So Physicians Formula is on a spend 20, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So what you can do is pick up two of the lippies for $9.99. You can also get one of the butter lipsticks as well. So you're at $19.98, and then you would get a $8 extra care buck, making them $5.99 each. Now look at your CRTs, go print your CRTs, because I got a 60% off on any Physicians Formula lip product. So that could be a good CRT. So go and print them, pair it with a CRT for cosmetics, like a 3 off 12. So this can make for a really good deal. Guys, so Olay facial care here at CVS, they are going to be on a spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks, you guys. So we also have November P&G insert coupons. So you spend 30, get 10. You can use a CRT for facial care. I got a 9 off 45 that printed, which could be for a good pairing here, since some of the Olay stuff tends to be a little more expensive, especially if you get to like the Regenist line. So again, it is spend 30 and get $10 back in extra care bucks. Use those P&G coupons from the November P&G, and then you could pair it with a CRT for facial care. So this could be a really good deal if you guys have some CRTs laying around for facial care. Okay, excuse my appearance today. I did not get ready today, but I wanted to share something with you guys. Keep your eyes peeled out in your mailboxes, because I frequently get these coupons. It's 25% off your entire purchase. Now with these coupons, you can use it on anything that is not on sale. So if it's like a buy one get one 40%, you can't use it. If it's a clearance item, you can't use it. But for example, for the Olay deal, when it's spend 30 get 10 and it's regular price, you can use it here. If it's on the Physicians Formula, you can use it there as well. So it must be full price. It can't be a part of like a buy one get one 50%. It can't be a buy one get one 40%. It can't be on sale. It has to be regular price. So check your mailboxes, sign up with CVS, call CVS customer care, and tell them your address and your email, and you could get these in the mail, or you can also get them emailed to you.
So thank you guys so much for watching today's CVS in-store video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.